Hi, this is John from Prakticala, and today I'm going to review the Kershaw Bel-Air folding knife. Now, this is actually a really nice knife, and I'll go over the reasons that I think it's a pretty good value. Number one, it has a very premium high-end steel. This is CPM Magnacut, which is more or less the best or one of the best consumer steels you can get. So it's going to hold an edge for a really long time and stay sharp for a lot of use compared to some of the softer or more budget steels. So you're getting a really nice steel, really nice finish. You're also getting like an upgraded locking and folding mechanism. So most Kershaws kind of have this speed safe, and they have a flipper and like a frame lock or a liner lock. This one has this bar here and ball bearing, a ball bearing action, what they say. So no flipper, no speed safe. It's a manual open, but it's a very easy open with the thumb stud. So you just flick straight up, very easy, opens really fast. That's probably one of the best actions I felt on like a manual flipper. Closing it, you just push this little bar down, and it'll, you can close it by hand or you can let it drop close. It's a little scary when you do that. Just keep your hands out of the way, or you can use two hands. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, just kind of close with two hands. But yeah, opening it, thumb stud, just flick straight up, really fast, really clean open. So that's a really nice action. These scales are really nice too. These scales are carbon fiber. They do have a metal scale version, but this one is carbon fiber, and even though it's really smooth, it's this matte finish, which is really grippy actually. So I kind of have sweaty hands right now, but it does not feel slippery in my hands. So for example, I have the Kershaw Cryo, which is like a really smooth steel scale, and when my hands are wet or sweaty, they do feel slippery. But this one, even though it's smooth, it is still very grippy. So good solid grip on the handle. You have a pocket clip, which is reversible for left or right hand carry, although it is not switchable for tip down carry, so tip up only. It's a very deep carry, so it's a nice clip there. And another draw is that it is made in the USA. Not all Kershaws are, but this one is. So if that's important to you, then that's a nice little feature of this as well. So yeah, overall, a very, very nice knife. Now, it is not cheap. So if you're just like a weekend warrior or an occasional user, like you open packages now and then, that kind of thing, you probably don't need such a nice knife. You can just get, like I said, the Kershaw Cryo or something similar that is more of a budget folding knife, and it'll do the job perfectly well. This is probably overkill. But if you use a knife every single day, use it heavily, let's say for work, or you're a very active enthusiast and you're cutting things all day long, then yeah, this is a good choice because you will retain your edge for a long time, won't need to sharpen it frequently, just going to be a very hardy and sturdy knife. So yeah, very nice choice, very nice knife overall. It is expensive, so it's not for everyone, but if you are looking for pretty much one of the best knives out there for like a consumer, this is definitely something to check out. Kershaw Bel-Air. And yeah, that's it.